How to cancel TikTok subscription. I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel your TikTok subscription. First, locate the TikTok app and tap on it to open the app. Make sure to log into your account or sign up on TikTok. Then, tap on the profile shown at the bottom right corner. Here, you have to tap on 3 lines shown on the upper side. Now, you have to reach the settings and privacy option. Scroll down and you've selected Report a Problem under Support and About portion. Then, you will see various problems, but you have to choose the subscription option. Tap on it and then select Managing your subscriptions. After that, go to How can I cancel an auto-renewal subscription? It will show you that there are 2 ways you can cancel your subscription. On TikTok, find the specific creator's community benefits page in the profile, then purchase content, and then reach the subscription and tap Cancel Subscription. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and manage your subscriptions there.